Okay. Hello. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna go and join some calls and see if anyone joins so I can have someone to talk to. Alright. Welcome to today's stream. It's gonna be probably, I intend for it to be a long one. Let's get into it. Okay, so today, I was gonna like work on the shell game thing before, but I changed my mind. Oops. Okay, guess that happened. Right, I was gonna work on the shell game, but I changed my mind, and today we're gonna work on something different. Going to be making a piano, a working piano from scratch. Well, kind of like a replacement of the default piano that's already in the content folder. Guess that one's kind of trash. Right. Let's try this again. Ooh. Okay. That's pretty good. I once had this Buzz Lightyear toy, and also, a little lad. It was actually like squishy all down, and only his head was plastic, which, well, led to his head falling off someday when I don't even want to talk about it. But this is pretty cool. What's this time? Not bad, not bad. Okay, I think this should be ready now. Yep, let's try again. Good lord. What is this? Okay, damn, it's gonna be a long day today. That's some bullshit. Oh, wait, closed it by accident. Okay. Let's see. Damn. All right. Okay, so let's talk about some stuff, I guess. Right. Some of you may have noticed that I deleted some old videos and, well, long story short, I wanted to make it easier for you to see. I wasn't sure if people were, if you could see the lives, the live streams, and it was kind of tucked away in other tabs and stuff. So I wanted to make it easier. I think I can open up my page right now to kind of show that a little bit. I wanted to make it a lot easier for you to see that I was doing live streams, because I wasn't sure if you guys are watching the live streams. That I'm shifting, because I wanted to, I did mention it in a video. I think I called it the comeback video. I was going to be posting a lot, but for like the rest of the month, I really wanted to post stuff, but I just didn't. Like, every single day I kept thinking, what would I post today? Like, what would I do today? Right? And I couldn't get any good ideas. Turn down the music a little bit. I couldn't get any good ideas up until like towards the very end of the month, and I was like, oh wait, I can just live stream and just hang out and talk about random stuff. So then I did that, and then I also went around and reorganized my channel page so that the live streams are front and center, kind of just live stream is front and center, and then the posts are also front and center, and the videos are kind of like at the back, because because I barely do videos. As for the shorts, there is nothing, and no, this isn't asking too much. Come on. But there's been nothing in the corner for you, because I don't really like focus to make on the shorts. The shorts are literally just me going, like, I might be about to get off for the day, and I look in the item, I can't, but I look in the item shop, and whoa, that is horrendous, the ping. Anyway, I look in the item shop, and I'm like, okay, this is out, and I literally just do a screen recording, and I just post it as is, no editing, no nothing. So that's why they're not consistent, and they really just don't have any rhyme or reason to them. But that is some crazy ping. I'm gonna do a quick little speed test. What's going on with that? Okay. Hopefully that's sorted out, and we can continue. Oh, I don't. Anyway, yeah. So that's it. As for the deletion of videos, some of them are a little bit OT, so they had to go. Okay. All right. I have decided to rename my little companion here. This will be the first order of business today. If that was finished loading. Oh, I don't need to. Oh, no. How did I get out? Alright. So, you may remember in the first video, oh, you can't even see, can you? Right. Oh, man. Oh, wait, no, yeah, you can see it. So, for the longest time, I've had, because this is the best cat. Don't ask me. This is the best cat, right? For the longest time, this has been its name, right? QT 3.3-142. But today we will be changing. I mean, this is not even a dev thing at this point, but we're gonna be changing the name. I'm gonna be changing its name. So yeah, and I've decided on what the name is gonna be. See, the best cat. That's the description. I didn't call it that. Right? So, I've decided on the name that it's gonna be, and it's going to be where do you? No way. Edit. What? There is absolutely, like, we are not serious. Can I not? I'm pretty sure you could know. I'm gonna go back to the lobby. I don't even care. Okay. So, like I said, I have decided on the name. And okay, let's try this again. Oh, there we are. Rename. From now on, your name will be Verse. Yeah. You know why? Because I love Verse. It's beautiful. So yeah. From now on, your name will be Verse. And Verse is gonna stick around with me while I build and stuff. And if you're new here, I mean, not new, but if you don't know what Verse is, well, how don't you know what Verse is? That's the name of my cat. Okay. On session. Alright, but real talk. Verse is the name of, you know, what's going on again? be back. I need to fix the internet again. Okay, we're back. Okay, so verse, right? What's verse? Verse is the language. As you can see. So I love verse because it's a beautiful language. It's a very, very, very pretty language. And it's what makes everything possible. Like, life would be so boring without verse. If you ask me, some might say I'm over exaggerating, but it's the truth. Life would be extremely boring and colorless without verse. So just wanna say I'm grateful for verse existing. Yeah, I'm very grateful for verse existing. Lets you do a lot of cool stuff. So that is gonna be the name of my new beauty here. Verse. Can I click on? No, I can't. Oh, I can. I can. Alrighty, let's go. Oh, we are already going, but it's not launching, so that must be a mistake. Let's try this again. Okay. No one's joining, that's sad. I mean, joining the Discord call I'm in. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's the first thing out of the way. Oh wait, I should probably be here. There we go. Right. Some random questions that did come up in mind. Yes, it is the same Figma. I use Figma for a lot of stuff. Actually, I do need to use Figma for something right now. I don't know why it says one tab there. It should be two. What's that about? Oh dear. Okay. All right. Sweet Jakes. Clock face. We're gonna be updating that today. I think I could just replace this image. I'm gonna do this one. Let's just get the position here, and it is that. So what I do. Just gonna drag in a new one. That, and then I can get in this one. Shrink it down like this. Copy this color, select that on here like that, and export this. Ooh. I don't remember where I put it before, so oh wait, I could just do, I could go here and find it. Assets, clock face, open source location. So it is here. Now I can export this to here. Replace. I could go back. And just like magic, re-import, and voila. Push, right. Why didn't it say to push changes? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I don't know, I have kind of like a lot of things I want to do today. One is the piano stuff, and but I think I'm gonna work on my cursor first, because I think input actions are now out of experimental, so I want to see if I can use them. Then I could totally get rid of using these devices, and my cursor would be truly free from devices, well, except for the camera, of course. But that's gonna be the agenda today. Also, I want to see if I can optimize my filtering rules and other stuff. But yeah, that's the plan. That is the plan. This is for you. Oh, look at this thing that I made. I made this myself. I made this myself. See? Okay. A nice little heart. It's a heart for verse, because I love verse. And we are in. Gonna start. Teleport. Oh, okay. I'm actually liking a lot, but it's fine. I'm not doing anything serious. Hey, look. Let's flip it. Wait, why is it blurry? That's not good. Wait. Let's see if we pin this up. I see. I don't want that to be that. Alright, let's go with this. have to push changes again, but that's fine. You know, whatever. I'll come back. Okay. Actually, don't need that anymore. Okay. After pushing changes, I'm going to get into the cursor thing. Oh no, actually, I need to test something before that. Yep. I need to test something before that. Okay, let's do. Put it in here. Quick simulate. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so I'll make a test entity type entity. Did I just? Oh, entity equals. Yeah, let's initialize. Equals entity. All right. So, okay. Oh yeah, last stream kind of ended abruptly because I kind of I didn't get copyright stricken. I didn't get a copyright strike, but kind of stopped the stream because of the copyright music, so I can't play them like my songs. So we are stuck with these copyright-free music from the wonderful folks at Creator Mix. Yep. All right. So test, and on simulate. Let's wait for 15 seconds. Let's make sure this is enabled. Okay, I don't want to wait 15 seconds. I want to kind of do a countdown. Print countdown. Add that debug visuals. So here I have like a little helper method. Well, not method, helper method. A little helper function. Oh, a little helper function that you can count. Well, it's as easy as it gets. It prints a countdown. Okay, so you not only wait, but you would also see the timer. All right, so we're gonna wait for 15 seconds, and then we will try to add the test entity to itself. So entity.add entities of array test entity. Okay. All right, so let me say, I put a variable as well here. So is testing, because I have other test entities in the scene and I don't want them all fighting for the same thing. So if is testing, you know what, I don't actually need this. It would be a lot easier to make this optional. False. Okay, so I can then do if actual test entity is test entity. I think I spelled that wrong. Then I want to add this one. So if it exists, if I can actually get it, then I will add it to the entity. This works after 15 seconds. Yeah, let's leave 15 seconds, it's good. Okay, so, oh dear, the internet's acting up again. Whew. All right, buddy. Kind of know what to do now. I'll just disconnect that one and reconnect after a while. That should be good. And connect to that. Okay. All right, so this is all good. Let's go over to the main part. And I'm just going to drag out a random empty entity here. Let's just put the clock. Okay. So I'm just trying to test for a bug that used to exist. I actually made a bug report on this a while back, where if you have an entity already in the scene and you try to add another entity to this, you try to spawn, or actually whether you spawned it or you try to add, like let's say add this one to that one, this would just go invisible. That was a bug, and I want to see if it's still happening. So this is going to be my test entity. Okay, I'm back. I'm still flying. That's crazy. Oh, did it work? I can't tell. Log. Okay, so there are actually like four. There are actually four here, so I only want this to run for the one that is going to add stuff to it. So let's move this in here, like this, and package this in there. Okay, so if there is, then it would do a countdown and then it would try to add it. Let's try this again. I feel like I should do this in a way. Okay, let's just see. First off, let us clear the output log. I mean, it's still working, it's just doing its thing. It's kind of like loading up. You know, I just want to go back. I actually want to go lie in bed and just read my books, read my notes, but streaming is more important right now, so that's what we're gonna do. I stopped it. Stopped at 303. 0303. It's still. Oh, okay. We're about to get into it. Okay. So the countdown should have started. Or is it not just showing anymore? What's going on? Let's just turn this off. I'll filter for log verse. Okay, so there is something there. All right, let's go back and sort of rewrite this a little bit. So I put that in parentheses, drop that into there, plop that away, plop that away, plop that there. And then let's add like a statement front. Test entity, let's just leave it at that. And let's also sleep for 6 seconds here. And we'll take the countdown to 10 seconds. Okay. So let's build this. And then make sure it's enabled. That's that one. Yep. That should be fine. And I've got to push first changes again. I actually wanted lo-fi. What's this? Okay. Alright, this is taking a little bit longer than usual. Maybe I should have pushed like full verse changes. No, how dare you? Okay. Alright, so this thing is absolutely not even doing anything. I'm gonna move my workspace up here so I can work a little bit faster without switching windows. Can you not even attach? Like, what's this about? Like a prefab thing? I can't attach the prefab. Alright, let's see. We'll see about that. Tic-tac-toe minimalist. That should be this one. Alright. Yep. Yeah. Alright. Sleep. And then do the check. Actually, let's make sure this is even running. If I can spell. Okay. Let's see with this one. Holy moly. While we are waiting for this is kind of like 60%, more like 80% the dev process here. Okay, wait, it did find. Okay, so it's counting down. And let's see, 2, 1. Okay. So I think it's been fixed. Because now it, okay. Yeah, so what were they saying? Oh, they talked about, I'm actually doing this test for some people. Let's do, and they said that this was a problem I had like way in the early days. Basically, when I first started learning Scenegraph, I had it with that. When I was trying to make this, the knife would just disappear if you tried to add it to something that was already in the world. But that doesn't seem to be the case anymore. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this entity. Can I copy? Nope. Can I copy? Okay, I can. I'm gonna place this entity on this guy. That is spinning. I don't even know who is spinning, but it's this one. All right. So test component. Maybe I can paste the details. I can't, but it's fine. Go to minimalist. There we go. All right. So if it gets added to it for real, then it should like spin with it. So that's going to be the test, and I can delete this. Oh, I could also get rid of this, I believe. I don't know why it wasn't doing it. I'm gonna have to like push full changes. So test number 1 is going to be adding something that's already in the level, which is in this case the white tic-tac-toe board, onto another thing that's already in the level, which is in this case the tree cookie. And then test number 2 would be spawning something and adding it to something that's already in the level and seeing if that works. Okay, this is going to take a while. What can I do in this time? Let's talk a little bit about some stuff. Things I don't even know what to talk about. Yeah, it's only a matter of time. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So that does get added just fine. All right. I don't know, I just want to cry that looks good. It's supposed to be a thing, but for some reason it makes me happy. Okay, let's do spawning stuff now. What do I spawn? Where is this? It's right here, which means I should be able to get something somewhere. I should be able to get something somewhere. So here we will spawn. I don't know. What do we spawn? Let's get some random item. We will spawn the clock, which is pf_clock. So clock is pf_clock. Obviously, that's problematic because it needs to be Can I go to it? All right, so clock module asset declaration, clock module, make it public. That, and then this is a different issue. Oh no, let's do clock test. Right, there we go. So we're gonna spawn a clock instead and see if it will work. Yeah, which means I don't need this anymore. I mean, kind of, okay, I'm gonna leave it. It's not going to add the thing, but it's just going to, let's just leave this like this. All right, so if there's something in that slot, then it would run this function. Okay, then push, so I need to clear this. Oh, we are in and 2, 1. Oh, so it does work. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. The clock is working actually. You can. Wait, that means I can. Well, if I start the game, I should be able to change the time zones on it still. Like, oops. So, yeah. Why no? I need to hit the clock, but like, this thing is bigger than the clock, so I can't hit the actual. Anyway, it's probably working, isn't it? It's probably working for sure. Speed link. Okay, so I think we can confirm the bug is fixed. I just need to tell the guys that the bug is no more. The bug is no mess. So I'll just tested. Oops, can't spell. Tested this and situations where it was giving me issues. All right, so enough of that. Let's get down to business. Delete that. Actually, I could just take the file from the last time. Get rid of this, get rid of that. Oh man, I need to get rid of all of this. And then get rid of that. And get rid of this too. There's one more change. No more change. And build. Okay. Also, before I forget, get rid of just delete. Then also already deleted that one. Okay, we are back to how we were before we started. Now we can clear log. Just gonna make everything look nice and clean. Also get rid of that too. Yes. No, just Control C. There we go. Build. Okay, maybe I should make like a second test. I want to see. I don't want to like mess with my actual cursor. Before saying that, I can use my mic just so far from my mouth. Before saying I could actually use the input actions. So let's do. And this is kind of like down with a lot of things. I don't think I need this anymore, to be honest. Right? No, I don't think I need it. Oh, this. This too. This one can stay. This one. Put that there. what is this? Print, double click. I'm not gonna do this. Then, so this is pretty solid. I don't think I need this anymore. Okay, so I can also clean this up, get rid of that. Oops. Single click, detected. I'll leave that there. Don't need this anymore, I think. Yep. Okay. I think I can relegate this to a then. Alright, and then, okay, I'm gonna use this one. So, let's see. I don't want to make this one line. Let's do this so I can collapse. Then I will do sleep. Well, then sleep 6 seconds. Time. What's this? Yeah. And then actually, if player, so that's me, is that 0. Then let's actually have this indented. Relative path. Actually, pretty sure I don't need a lot of the things I'm using, so let's just sort of filter. Let's do it this way then. I definitely need that. Definitely need that one. Definitely do not need that. Fortnite characters. I don't think I'm gonna need that. Oh, I am. Oh no, for the player. Okay. Temporary curves. Stipulated math. Shouldn't be using any of those. Random, am I? Nope. Scenegraph, yes. This, yes. This one. Audio. Nope. Pretty sure I'm using that. Using that as well. Conversions. Generics. I don't know what's in generics. I'm not using it, I guess. Oh, snap. List ops. This one is very hard to get back. Time, not using time. Textures, I am. Oh yeah, for the Mona Lisa. Where is it? Oh, background. So that's textures, and then sliding tiles, because obviously the game is literally there. And tic-tac-toe because as well. I should actually lift tic-tac-toe. Oh no, okay, now I removed so. Alright, so these are all I'm using. Just gonna just strip them like this. These two can go down. Alright. Okay. We need to get, it's been a while since I've actually used this, but let's chuck all of these down here. If player is that, and I can just go to where I've used it before and get the code from there. Set mapping context, so get player input. Let's get it. It's experimental, huh? This one is in the first digest. So this one was marked experimental. But the one in the Unreal Engine module is not experimental. So the one in the Unreal Engine module is not experimental, and it returns the player input that's in, well, that's here, it should be right above, I think. Right here. It returns this one. But this one is in verse and it is experimental, and it returns this one, which is also experimental. Okay, so what I need is to use, I'm going to use this one instead of this one. There we go. Not experimental anymore. Okay. So we'll get the player input, and then that gives us that, and we want to add the input mapping. So input dot add input mapping, and it takes here. Let me find them. These are not experimental. So we're going to test with, is there even a left click? Alright, so there doesn't seem to be a left click mapping, but let's do I don't know what I want to do. I want to do F. Now let's do F. And we will take menu mapping. this menu mapping is from. Yep. Okay. So we add this, and then we do player input dot get action input event. Oops. And this expects an input action. Right. And we are doing menu mapping, which we're trying to get for F, which is track. So, get a track. And this returns input events. So, input events calls that. All right, so input events have activation triggered event and activation cancel detection begin. So we're just going to use this one, and it gives you the player, and it gives you the value. All right, so we're going to do pressed. Unpressed. I know, actually, I think. Get your loop here. Sleep. 0 to 0. Why is it not letting me sleep? Yeah, so sleep. And then we'll do I'll just call it activation. Activation is calling equals is input events dot activation trigger event dot event. Okay, so when I press it, it's gonna wait for when I press it, and it's gonna store that in here. And this is a tuple of me, the person who pressed it, and T, which is the value generated by the physical input. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I want to just, for now, just print unpressed. Oops. Triggered. Okay. Let's add some info here as well. Good Lord, I cannot spell. Can't type. That as well. Okay. Let's publish. It's once again it is E, right? Nope, F. It's F. Okay. Oh dear. Internet is doing its thing again. All right, connect it back. Oh, that is taking a while. Holy. I feel like it's gonna crash and send me back to the lobby. No, it's not. I think we're good to go. All right. Okay. I don't know. I think I'm not sure this is gonna work. You never know, right? Yeah, that didn't work. I have a feeling it's because I just gonna press F. Right? It didn't. Yep, waiting for activation input. So it should be right here. But this just didn't. This didn't work. Yep, pressing F pretty solidly right now. It's just not working. It's because it needs to be like maybe. Let's see. Nope. But like that is gonna work if I press X. So it's gotta be some weird thing. Oh, I think this is one of the situations where it's because I'm trying to get around the whole experimental state of it by using the input events here. And this is just not working, so I'm gonna switch over and use the experimental version and see if it works. Just delete this. Just put a verse input, and now it is going to be marked experimental. Okay, so let's see if this one works. Oh dear, what was that about? Used no member and input used in this, so this is not in there. Okay, let's see. So it's like it's just not working apparently, because we get this, which gives player input. And player input has get input events. So what am I missing here? Let me put this one. Get input events, actually the same thing, right? Which returns input events. An input event has trigger activation event. Still in verse. Trigger. Oh, okay, so this is different. So it's trigger activation event, not activation triggered event. Okay, there we go. All right. Let's see if this works. I see you. Just saying. I don't know if you're who I think you are, but I see you. Oops. Well, I guess you're not who I thought you were. Or maybe you had to go do something. But thanks for stopping by. Moving my mic around, so if I sound different, loud or quiet, sometimes it's because of that. Let's just clear the upper log. I feel like this is going to take time again, so I'm going to go get some water. Maybe I do like a be-back screen? Yeah, let's do a be-back screen. Okay, back. I don't know why it's automatically making me fly, but wait a minute. I'm just gonna push full changes. I have a feeling it's bugging out again. And I'm going to go fill up my bottle with water, because I actually didn't fill it up with water. Be right back. Okay, back again, and it hasn't actually finished pushing changes. No surprise, but I'm back now. I hope you guys' weekends is going great. Good Lord. I just choked in my... Oh my days. Well, like, sheesh, I just... Anyway. Right. I'm all rehydrated now. Almost. I checked out the water. That's what happened. Went down the wrong pipe. Okay. Oh, look at him. Just doing some little thing. Still 40%. It has just been me. Oh man, I knew it. I just knew it. Let's disconnect that. Then I'll use just that purely. Okay. Almost there. Speed test. I turned up the bitrate, the quality of the stream, and yeah, that has not, I don't know, my internet speed does not like that. It's almost in shambles at this point. Okay, let's get it better. Let's get the stream looking nice and crisp. Okay. Seems like it's good. I haven't even gotten started on the piano at all. Damn. Okay, so I'm just as tired as you, little fella. Okay, so the input mapping stuff is ready. Let's see if it worked. It did not. Do I need to start the game? I shouldn't need to start the game. I don't think it worked. It just didn't. Yep. E, F, X, nothing. It's not working. It's just not working. Oh dear. Oh wait. I'm just currently looking around in servers, seeing if anyone has had this problem. Oh my days, man. Okay, let's give up on the scene event. Maybe not scene events, on the input action, input events. It's just not working. Which is sad, but I guess that's kind of like the situation. Well, I'm not that sad. I didn't even have to left click. Can't I go to the track? Well, that is crazy. Alright, let's get implements of needed an input action. Can't go to the input actions, bro. Oh wait. Wait a minute. I know that's what I was using. So yeah. Input action. Wait a minute. Don't tell me I needed to do this. No way, bro. Ain't no way. Please give me an error. Yeah. Okay. Sheesh. Yeah, buddy. I'm getting tired now. I don't even know I'm tired. I didn't do anything. Still can't go to it. Yeah, player input, get player input, get in production. On in production to okay. Why was I trying to click into it when it's like well, that should have brought me here too. If you can't tell, I'm kind of like just I'm not in it. My head is not here. I'm gonna give up on this one for today because I believe it's bugged, and it's definitely bugged, and it's not me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for my sticky notes here. Okay, I don't even know if I still have the bandwidth to work on the piano stuff. Yeah, let's do it. Let us do it. Okay, So just gonna get like some piano keys. Piano keys. Layout. That's not correct. Schematic. Let's do your dimensions. Okay, this one seems to be accurate. Let's go with a few of them. All right, I'm kind of Googling some stuff right now. Maybe I should bring you guys on for the ride. Oops. What do you mean unusual? Look at that. Expose my IP like that. It's crazy. This is on millimeters. This is actually good, I think. Brother what? Brother what? X2? Okay, I should probably wait, actually, let's see how much they're gonna push this. Oh, it stops here. Better. Damn. Alright, so that's what that one. This one is a look at them giving us flipping math equations. I'm just checking. It's 3 white plus 2 black and 4 white plus 3 black. So it's not actually the same width. If that is 504 and this is 480, then it's almost imperceptible when I think about it, but it does look that way. Oh wait, no, that's Metcalf. What are we doing here? Actually, compromises. Okay, I'm kind of reading here, but we've also made our fun. Okay, I kind of get the idea here. Why am I going this deep on this? It's not. It's not going. I'm not making a physical piano. But let's stick with that for now. Let's see what this one has. Okay. Okay. Why is it so tiny? I don't even know if this millimeters or... This is 13, this is 10, and... All right, let's look at what Fortnite has, because I'm trying to make a better one than, you know, the one that's that we have here. Oh, you know. We actually have the keys individually. And we have the gallery here. So they have like 2 octaves. I think we're going to start with that. Okay. I bet they didn't really stress on making this as accurate as possible. They just probably slapped. That's a texture. Yep. Of course it is a texture. Okay. So I won't think too much about it. I'm just going to do 1 octave. That can be... Okay, so yeah. Okay. I'm going to make it 1 octave wide. And then I can instance multiple and change the tune, like the pitch. So let's go back to Blender. And let me get a reference image. I'm going to use this one. This one looks better. This one looks good. Alright. Sorry about that, buddy. I can use this one. Go back. Up, down, like this. Up there, and now we begin. Can't even tell if... You know, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to take this as 1 unit where instead of playing, start with this. And I will make this 840, so 0.84 meters wide. That's going to be this here. No, man. Okay. So this is going to be... key. Just go on and model this out. Don't even get the height. That's crazy work. Oh, I keep pressing the literal wrong thing. Okay, let's go with this. Let's go with 3.88 meters. Let's just go 3.9. You know what? Let's just go with 4 meters. Okay, that is too. 4.9 is fine. And also, let's do 0.85. No, let's do 4. Yeah, it's okay. It's gonna be. Let's put this in front and turn down the opacity a little bit. All right, back to this guy. So I'm gonna do down the middle and one right there, and level this up. Like this. Get rid of you. I probably should have started with like the far one, the one on the far left. So before we do anything on this, I will just move it over. Well, or I don't know, man. What should I do over? That amount. Okay. Then I'll move it by this amount. So duplicate, boom, that amount, and then Shift R. You can kind of see where it starts adding up. So what I'm going to do is going to go to this first one. That cursor to select it, and I will scale it up from there. Okay, this looks good. I found one accidentally, actually. I didn't even know when I clicked on it. But this looks good. Looks like what I perfect. Just let me be able to open this and don't be a tiny image, please. That's it. Nice. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that looks accurate. Oh, that looks very accurate. I like it. Let's save as. What the heck is it? Is that a PowerPoint? Oh my days, bro. Extension. That's crazy. What are the odds? All right. Wow. I mean, you never know. Let's see how it goes. Actually, I need not that. Let's get the old name because I wanted to. I'm kind of lazy, you see. Wanted to name the other one. All right. So we'll save as that, and yep. Now we'll see. First of all, just get rid of all of this. I don't even want to see it. Item as site you go. Okay. So let's see if we can open this. No way. Oh, didn't even try. Let's go through all official channels. Import image, reference. Search. I know. So the PNG is fine. Damn. So reference didn't work. I don't know why. I'm gonna try this one. Mesh play. Downloads. PPM piano. Nope. All right. Well, you know they say, if Muhammad won't go to the mountain, then I will go to Muhammad. We're going to converter. Would you look at that? Okay, buddy. Why is it taking so long to upload a 24 kilobyte file? That's insane. All right. By the way, I'm just trying to get a reference picture for the piano. I haven't even started. It's gonna be fun. But I want to make this. Besides, it actually was on my list of things to make. I just never got around to it, but today's the day. Maybe not today, since I won't finish today, but... Okay. Nice. Nice. This is a swap back over. Okay, so let's drag this baby in. Nice. Wait, what the? That's not right. That is not right. Wait. File, clean up, purge to use data, delete, then drag it in again. There we go. Whew, that was scary. All right, so we got the dimensions here, and these are in millimeters. Okay. First of all, let's have it being visible in perspective. So I like to do that all the time. Okay, so 23.6. You know, let's just get a plane in here. Let's start from there. Gotta start somewhere. 23.6 millimeters on the Y. 23.6 millimeters. Did I type that in the wrong spot? Oh, this is the Y. Oh wait, no. Y is that way and then X is this way. This isn't rotated, so let's kind of move that to the X, and then we have 0.45, 45 plus 100. I mean, 45 plus 100. I'm not doing the math. It's 145. I'm not that stupid. Okay, so that is the key length, like this. So then, let's just take this and recenter it, Alt-G, and resize. That is not right. I don't know, that doesn't feel right. If that is to scale, then I should definitely size up correctly. Oh, it is. Oops. Wait a minute. Right. Yeah, 23.6. You know what? Let's put it here. And take this one, like lining up there. So like this. Oh, okay. So it did line up. All right, let's do. Let's put C. Actually, I want to do this on my long monitor so I can actually see everything, but you guys won't see it if I did. Oh wait, edit mode. RIP. Okay. Like this. No, I could just do this. What was I actually doing? So, look at the top, and look at the bottom. Okay. Now for picture. Kind of like this. All right, I'd say that's about correct. Okay, so scale, and then we need 7 more of this. So this is on the X. I'm gonna move by this amount. Gonna do duplicate, let go, move on the X, and then Shift R. This one. Duplicate, move on the X, and then repeat 7 times. And look at that, lines up perfectly. So that's the 7 keys. Going to put this on top and turn down the opacity again. Okay. Oh, also need this, but I can sort of get this one by doing a movement of 15.5 millimeters. So duplicate, move 15.05 millimeters, like this. And then I shouldn't have moved it 15.5. I should move it back by half of this. So minus 6.35 millimeters. 6.35 millimeters. So now it's kind of like centered a little bit. And then I can set this to be 100. Oh, 0.1. And then set this to be kind of chop in there, 12.70. So 12.7 millimeters. Okay. Then move it up by plus. No, not there. So the Y here. 25 divided by 2 millimeters. Alright, then let's see. This should be so. This one's like this is the center. This is not in the center here. Okay, this is 23 point. This is over here, and then I need to move it. I guess the easiest way to move this one would be to put the, oops, I'll put the origin on here. Cursor. If I put this to 0, now it's in the center. So okay, bro, the math is not right. Can't, like, this is so simple and it's staring me in the face. Alright, so let's do this. I'll move this back by just drop that in there, and then I'll move it forward by 15.5. 15.05. 15.05. Sometimes I mean it's correct, but like I guess the thing don't line up a little bit, so just gonna make bro scoot a little bit. That is a lot, bro. Zero point plus 0 point placeholder. 1, 2, 3, 5. There we go. All right. I know what I do. Oh, okay. And then I will put the origin back in the center. Okay, good lord. Is this gonna move an equal amount to the other side? That would be this. Let's do collection. This not selectable. I'll just put this in. Just make a new collection here. Call this. All right. So on to the next. Do 50. Right. So that is 73.6 plus. Well, I'm not even going to try, and I'm just going to manually position it. I do not care. So 0.28. Then I'm going to do another 1, 2, 3. I know these three should be like the same kind of. So then I'll take them and move them like. Wait, is it not the same? It is not the same. Okay. Alright, so I'll just do it manually then. Sometimes you just gotta, get in there. This is not even a Blender stream. Oh dear. Well, it is now. Okay, so kind of got the rough dimensions for this. Next would be cutting out, right? Because this should not look that way. It should kind of cut out. I think the easiest way would be to like do a boolean of all the pieces. Is that transparent? No, it's not. If I just booleaned it, but like, one at a time. No rush. Select number 1, and we go. Surface. Call this. Oh, I could make a piano tiles game. Isn't that crazy? All right. I'm checking the stream health. Okay. Stream is healthy. Yay. Second. Okay. So we begin. Maybe I should have. It's whatever. I'll hand place it. Let's add. Oops. There we go. Ooh, I could have done this like smarter than I just did. All right, let's do it so it's pixel accurate. Right? Yeah. So it starts out in the middle, and that's 50, and everything is 145. So it actually starts out at 172.5, and I need it to. Oh, I should have eaten or something. Okay, I'm just. I wonder if I can. Nope, I can't. 1 second. I want to use my tablet for it. Oh wait. Actually, first of all, let's just notch that there. Let's there. On and off. Now I should have. Oh snap! That didn't do it. Oh, it's in the wrong place to begin with. Crazy. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Then I do this. It's not fine. And then I do this. Now it's fine. All right, so I'm going to move this to the other. To the tablet so I can use the pen because my mouse is kind of aching right now. My mouse hand is aching. Okay. I think I need to leave this on. Oops. Yeah, I need to leave that open. That is actually stupid, but okay. Oh, wait, man. What's that about? I give up. I probably need to like restart my PC and all for it to keep working, so I just give up. I keep working with the mouse. Let's put it back. Okay. So right around here. 72.5. That's where it kind of spawns. And we have this. So this is that minus 45. That's what I need. Okay. Control R. Here. And do. What is it? 0. Point. Yeah, 0.072.5 minus 0.045. You know what? It's fine. I have my brain. I'll just do it there. I said that, but I'm actually using a calculator, by the way. So. Oh, 275. Good lord. What the? Oh, okay, I see. So it's actually not a 0 to 1 range. So it's kind of like 0 in the middle, and then 1 at the bottom, -1 at the bottom, and then 1 at the very top. No wonder. Just throw me off. Then it is 0 at 72.5. Then it goes 72.5 to 0. So I'm just gonna write this down with a pen and paper. Percentage, that's what I need, a percentage. So X% of 72.5 is equal to 45. That's 4500 over. Okay, so 4500 divided by 72.5. 62 point that minus 100. So it's minus 3793. So that's 3793. Well, yep, math is better. Okay, damn. So we begin for that one, and it's probably going to be the same situation if I do this, where that is 0 and then 1 pulp, probably there. So this is 23.6. Move it. Same math, actually. Just gonna do it. X% of 23.6 is. That's not gonna work because I know what that is. So 23.6 minus 15.05. 8.55 times 100 divided by 23.6 minus 100, 63.6377. Actually, I need this plus 100. 36.22. 3623. Oh, that's actually 3622. Right, look up that. And yay. That took longer than it should have. Okay. So we begin. I should write this down. So 2.5 minus 100. 3793. Okay, for this one, I think I'm just going to go with the good old bevel. But it's not even centered, is it? That's not. Anyway, it's fine. I'll eyeball it. Go around here, the bevel. Around there. Let's speed through this. Sometimes in life, you just gotta eyeball it, you know? Go for it. Oh dear, I went quiet there for a second. Well, it's not like I'm talking to anyone. But yeah, making progress. I've got all these. If I hide this, you can see it. connection. Okay, so this is the last one for the white keys. Don't have to do anything for the white keys because, well, those are pretty alright already. Well, for this one I could just add one here. Move it right there. Like this. Okay. And we're done. So I'm gonna do like a, just gonna hide this for now. Then I'm gonna unhide these. Go for like a simple they should be outdated anyways. Okay, so let's do, I'm not going to go into like the actual shaping of it for now. Just wanted to get the dimensions right, and then I'll model them out properly later on. But for now, let's just do simple depth, solidify, 0. Control L, copy modifiers. Do thickness. Then we will give bevel of any amount. Whoa. A really tiny amount. Maybe 0.05. Good. Let's do 1, and for here we'll do arc, so curves nice and around. And then same thing. Well, nice. Okay, and next we'll do a weighted modifier, the default settings to smooth them out. And same as always, we'll add it to everything else. Hey. Okay, let's Shift C. Maybe like a little bit lower. I want to add like a point. Give this a level 16. Okay. Oh, that's so bright. That is too bright. Projects. HDRI. Just gonna search. All right. Nice. Further. zeroing on, flipping CPU. What is this? Compute, sampling. Okay, let's see. All right. Let's make these like just call it, what is it, ebony? Ooh, I can do that. Now just have it be dark. Oh no, I selected this one as well. Okay. Just bump up. Metallic, and we will also go to specular and bump up. I think there's a traffic as well. Give us a right. Nice. I just need that separation. Shift that center as true. Right. So, oh, I like that. I like this one. Wait, I'm not setting up a render. What am I doing? All right, turn this down to 0.35 and actually turn this up to 0.1. Can't see the details in the separation, so we got light here. Let's try the other one. Okay, kind of like this. Nice. My keyboard is acting up again. I like this. Yeah. 13,500 kbps. That's the recommended. So I'm going to switch it up to that. Okay, the piano keys are ready. Let's do some work on it then. Let's see. Some underscore. Underscore notes. Underscore C. So I'm gonna do this. Then this one will be D. This one will be E. This one F. G. A. And then B. Oh dear, it's gonna go A, right? I just do know. I can get framing again. Maybe I should put a camera here. So let's do camera. Let's take this up a bit. Don't get 22 to once. Let's take. Oopsie, where is that? Oh snap. Okay, so that's what was happening. Cameras are tiny. Keyboard display size 0.05 is okay. Oh, rip view clip start 0.01, and also take one out of here. Okay, well that's still not enough. Well, this is all in millimeters. Holy. Oh wait, no. That should be enough. Camera 0.01. There we go. Let's go take one off of here as well. Push this back. Set that there. Let's do 3D cursor. Rotate Z. That. Then rotate Z. Tiny bit like that. Then also want to do Oopsie, add a lamp. Light, area lamp. Make it point at here. Make this bad boy point right there. Then turn it down size a lot, actually, all the way to a rectangle. Type like this, and then turn this down. So 0.5, and then 0.05 a third of it. Okay, I'm gonna work on the colors. Let's go back into camera view, frame 1, and rendered. These go to the light, and visibility, turn off glossy. You know what? I just realized I'm gonna take a step back for a second and work on this. Okay, so delete that, and then select those two, move up like this. Nice. Camera. Good time. Wait a minute. Where's my HDRI? What happened to the HDRI, bro? No, come back. Crazy work. All right, so I'll do RZ. Make this -270. Okay. Damn, it's not too bright. Because I actually needed this one. These easy. See? Let's get like some light on the side. am I doing rendering out? Like, I'm not even gonna render at this. I'm just gonna. Oh, it sucks. Okay. Wow, the stream has been going on for what? 3 hours now. That's almost about the time of the studio. Okay. Yeah, I would say I'm done with the keys for now. But it's fine for them to be like this. Later on, I'll make them into actual piano keys, you know. Actually, I should have instanced them. At least the black ones. Because the keys are effectively going to be the same. But it's fine. Let me do like a quick... Let's just take these two and put this in the center. Then I'll do like a quick back for it. Let's put this out actually in here, and then let's just disable all that because it's really not needed. Okay, so say this is going to be like this. That. Actually, I should just have done like this. This horrendous piano. That should not be that like that. Let's say like this part should go down, something like that. Yes. Oh, in that case, then everything can go up actually. Yes. Then down here can go down. Bro. Everything over here can go down like that. Then you can take the edges down. Hey. This is not connected. Like the topology is absolute garbage. So if I tried doing that, it's just gonna break. Add a few more zeros in here. So 1, 2. Let's see, I think it was 270. And I can re-rotate this one. There we go. Because like I said, I love verse. So this is the first piano. I haven't even started thinking. Actually, I have an idea of how I'm gonna make it work. I also would have to get the samples of the notes and stuff too. I don't know, maybe later I'll record from my piano, or I don't know, just go online and grab some VSTs or whatnot. Okay. Font. Let's do. Yeah, let's do this one. Gonna do. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna go up and then to the side. Oh, let's do this. Let's do. I don't know. Let's do this. Let's make it a little bit smaller, actually. It's a little bit too small. Okay, do this, do that, and then looking for geometry. Extrude. That. Geometry bell. Let's do 1. Really get in there. 0, 0, 1. It's 1 more 0. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Let's just do a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Okay. Oh, right, you need to name these as well. A, B, C, D. And I'm gonna name them my favorite. Let's see what it has. shit is not even legible. Oh, it is. Yes, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. That is crazy. I'm not naming them that. So, will let me C sharp. Like, is that allowed? To be a name? Oh wait. Yeah, we can't even have sharp there. I mean, if I import it, it'll probably import just fine. Maybe not. I think I'm gonna go with like, kind of like the flats all around then. I don't want to do it, but it has to be done. Okay, so this will not be C sharp. Would be flat. Flat. Okay. Should I do like some material work in this? What the world? Wait a minute. Shading. Material just disappeared? Oh. It's because I turned this off. The reference is still there. I don't think I need it anymore. Thank you for your service. C 270. Lighting is kind of whack, not gonna lie. Just bring this to this one. And let's try some of these. No, not this one for sure. Let's do oak veneer. Maybe not that one. Plywood? This one looks nice. Alright, then I will go in and do, oopsie. don't know what I'm doing. Second. Okay, so my car just got back from the mechanic, and I'm gonna go. I have to go look at and make sure it's all good and stuff. I got today, so I'm gonna end the stream here. I might not start the stream again. I might just go to sleep. Well, not go to sleep, but rest, because it's been a very busy week. Plus, yeah, I'd hope that someone would join the calls that I'm in, so I could talk to someone, but no one joined. Fuck them all. But yeah, I'm gonna stop here for today, and then tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. What's up with this guy? And then tomorrow I will start on the verse side of things. I mean, like making it into an actual playable piano. Oh, maybe not. I want to do like some texturing and put like the letters or something. Okay, no. Tomorrow I'll start working on making it playable, and I guess that would start with me getting the sounds for each key, and I'll make it a proper piano that's better than the one that's in Fortnite by default. So yeah, this is where I say goodbye. As always, stay cheerful. No way, bro. No way, Comple. I'm literally about to get off Comple. Yeah, man, have a good one. Someone just joined. Anyway, yeah, have a good one, everybody. And